Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Kolkata? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Kolkata. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have DC Tutorial Medical Coaching in Kolkata. DC Tutorial is located in Kolkata and well known for their coaching classes with tremendous facilities and help them even support them to prepare very well themselves for their competitive examination. In this academy, you all will get a chance to face the daily class test, unit tests, mock tests and many more for excellent preparation. Even this is the only institute which provides the whole data of students to their parents so that they will know all about their children's progress. Remarkable library facility and multimedia learning program with a practical demonstration is provided in the institute. Okay, the address of DC Tutorial includes AD6 Kennel Side Road, AD Block Sector 1, Salt Lake City, Kolkata, West Bengal 700064. Their contact number is 9874712380 and 9433903310. Okay, the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 1800 per month and the batch size is 10 students per batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have CB Classes NEET Coaching in Kolkata. CB Classes is the brainchild of Mr. Chandrajit Banerjee and this academy was established in the year 2011. The faculty is highly experienced and very skillful in their teaching work. In this academy, you will find the best and top-notch guidance for your competitive examinations. CB Classes are the perfect platform for your NEET examination. Okay. The address of CB Classes includes shop number P85, Kalindi Housing Estate, Kalindi Lake Town, Kolkata 700089. Their contact numbers are 09830250478 and 7890999777. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So friends, the fee structure of this institute includes a sum of rupees 1,55,000 for 2 years and a sum of rupees 90,000 for 1 year. Their batch size is 45 to 50 students in one batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is SOCB's Education Best Need Coaching in Kolkata. Okay, SOCB's Academy is an effort to bring out the true meaning of quality education. They believe that for every student willing to learn, there is a teacher, and that for every teacher willing to teach, there is a student. There are several very competent teachers with great knowledge and talent. They provide a platform for the teachers to connect with all the students and teach them very effectively. The address of this institute is 3rd floor 47 Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Road, Jatin Das Park, Metro Gate number 3, Kolkata, West Bengal 700026. Their contact number is 0823280966 and the batch size includes 50 to 60 students in one batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Kolkata. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.